The land of textiles. We are Nidhie Weaving Mill. We are with enormous passion, decades of expertise, solid strength. We commit ourselves with 100% carbon-free energy. We make with eco-friendly materials. And stress-free workforce to serve world-class clothing for people. Woven fabric is the essential part of life. We make 5 million meters of grey woven fabric per month. Our grey woven fabrics crafted with love and intelligence to make fluid fashion, flowy casuals, trendy outfits, comfort wears, shaping inners, infant protectors, high-five collars, cuffs and stiffs to men, comfy linens, bed sheets, cloth bags, and far more. Life without grey fabric would be unimaginable. And so, grey fabric without Nidhie Weaving Mill.